Hi, Dan Baker here. Welcome to Human Sexuality Psychology 110. I'll be your instructor here this semester, and so I wanted to let you know a little bit about myself. I'm a Christian. I'm originally from Santa Cruz. I ended up going to Hills Business College after high school because I didn't know what else to do. Ended up working in the accounting field, and as you get to know me, you'll see that doesn't really fit my personality. And you'll learn more about your personality when we get to the personality chapter. So hopefully that will help you learn more about yourself and good job fits as well. So after 6 months of working in the accounting field, I decided I needed to go back to school. So I went to Carrillo Junior College in Aptos, was focusing on physical therapy and transferred to UC Davis, where I was earning C's. C's do earn degrees, but it's not going to get you into physical therapy school. Meanwhile, I was taking classes in psychology and getting A's, loving it. I did an internship and loved that. And so I changed my major, graduated from UC Davis with a bachelor's in psychology, then went on to CSU Sacramento, where I earned my master's in counseling with an emphasis in marriage and family counseling. Ended up counseling for 20 years at the community college system and teaching part-time. And since fall of 2013, I've been teaching pretty much full-time at San Joaquin Delta College, and of course now I'm an adjunct here at Modesto Junior College as well. As far as this class goes, we're going to learn a lot about the anatomy, physiology, but also about your values, your attitudes, how you're influenced by societal standards, and of course, how to have a healthy sexual experience. Um, what I hope that you get from this class is that you're actually transformed not only by the knowledge that you get, but a better understanding of your values and your ability to make good decisions when it comes to your sexual health. Please feel free to contact me throughout the semester. Want to make sure that you're as successful as possible and you get through this class. I'm looking forward to meeting each one of you in your discussion boards. And until then, have a great semester.